In this video, we're going to show you to install the taillights on your Dodge Ram, located right on the tail section of your bed. You use a T15 Torx bit on this screw here, and there's one right up on the top here. You're going to loosen and remove these. At this point here, you can go ahead and slowly start to work the tail light out of the body, like so. On the back side, we're going to press down on this little retainer clip and remove the harness from the tail light. Take your connector, line that up, press it on. You can feel it and hear it snap into place. Now you have two studs on the back that are going to line up with the holes in the body. Pop that in, install your two screws, and we'll snug those down. And just snug those in. They don't have to be super tight. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.